Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Innovation School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is times table 9, 10 and 11, and times table number 10 will be your SW. My dear student, today is our lecture number 18 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 18 also. So my dear student, let us start our class. Here you notice times table 9, times table 10, times table 11 are written. So at first we learn how to write times table. My dear student, in your copy at first you write TO, 1 TO, 2 TO, 3 TO. Okay, in every TO, in between 2 TO you make one box empty. Okay, in that box you write the multiplication sign. After that second TO, between the second TO and third TO you keep one box empty also. Then that box you write equal sign, that box you write equal sign. So my dear students, here you notice 9. 9 is single digit number, that is it is ones place, multiplication sign. That means tens TO, ones place and tens place. Here 0 to 9 is in ones place, so we write this one is in ones place. Now 10, 0 is in ones place, so 0 written in ones place, and 1 is tens place, so written in tens place. Next, in gap box we write equal sign. Okay, in every line we write equal sign. Okay, next TO, 0, 9 is single digit, for this reason we write this in ones place. And 18, suppose 18, 8 is in ones place and 1 is tens place. Similarly you write the times table in your exercise copy. Now my dear student, let us start times table 9. So how can we write? How can we read the times table 9? 9 0 jar 0, 9 1 jar 9, 9 2 jar 18, 9 3 jar 27, 9 4 jar 36, 9 5 jar 45, 9 6 jar 54, 9 7 jar 63, 9 8 jar 72, 9 9 jar 81, 9 10 jar 90. Now my dear student, read with me. 9 0 jar 0, 9 1 jar 9, 9 2 jar 18, 9 3 jar 27, 9 4 jar 36, 9 5 jar 45, 9 6 jar 54, 9 7 jar 63, 9 8 jar 72, 9 9 jar 81, 9 10 jar 90. So my dear student, our times table 9 is done. Next we shall read times table 10. It is so easy. It is so easy. My dear student, at first I read 10 0 jar 0, 10 1 jar 10, 10 2 jar 20, 10 3 jar 30, 10 4 jar 40, 10 5 jar 50, 10 6 jar 60, 10 7 jar 70, 10 8 jar 80, 10 9 jar 90, and 10 10 jar 100. My dear student, notice here 100 is come, that means it has 3 places. For these reasons, here we write TO, here we write TO, but here we write HTO. Why? Because it is 100. 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, and 1 is in 100 place. Okay. Now please read with me. 10 0 jar 0, 10 1 jar 10, 10 2 jar 20, 10 3 jar 30, 10 4 jar 40, 10 5 jar 50, 10 6 jar 60, 10 7 jar 70, 10 8 jar 80, 10 9 jar 90, 10 10 jar 100. My dear student, times table 10 is done. Next we shall read times table 11. It is also so easy. So notice 11 0 jar 0, 11 1 jar 11, 11 2 jar 22, 11 3 jar 33, 11 4 jar 44, 11 5 jar 55, 11 6 jar 66, 11 7 jar 77, 11 8 jar 88, 11 9 jar 99, 11 10 jar 110. Now my dear students, please read with me. 11 0 jar 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. My dear student, you must memorize this times table to write in our annual term exam. So my dear student, you must memorize this, and times table 10 will be your SW. So my dear students, times table 10 will be your SW. Okay my dear students, you must do your assign SW in your SW copy, submit it regularly by your guardians in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.